was traveling on a motorcycle and I was hit by a car. I was crossing the intersection, going straight. The car had a red light, a yield light, and didn't see me coming, and she runs the light and just T-bones me, basically.
As a parent, I got the horrible phone call that every parent dreads to receive. And he had 2 collapsed lungs, he had fractured ribs, he had a fractured, what you call a T9 vertebral body in his back, and then he had a crushed pelvis, and then he had a compound fracture of his left fibula, and then a punctured bladder. But I caught the things that were missed, and coming to Sunrise and coming home to my family was everything.
He had a fracture of his fibula shaft, so the outside bone in the lower part of the leg. His pelvis was broken in a couple of places. He also had a break in his hip socket on the left side. I think he has had an amazing recovery. He has worked so hard this whole time, and I'm really impressed and I'm really proud of him.
And Bryce went 4 times a week for 2 to 2.5 hours every day up to this point, and he was just cleared yesterday to return to work full-time, back to his job on Monday. So that's a huge celebration.
So I came here today to just thank everyone, all my family, friends that just have been around helping me through my critical time and hard times, and then I just came by and say thank you to everyone and my family at Sunrise Hospital because they just taken so much good care of me.